Today I am going to demonstrate how to create the lesson plans weekly or topics wise or week wise by teachers. First of all, we go into web browser Mozilla Firefox. Then type in here that LOCAL localhost model. This is the local hosting computers, server computers, making servers, and the local host computers open the Moodle first page in here. In Moodle first page, we can see here the informations, courses, then available courses, as well as that the course categories in here. Then in this same page we can see the calendar, all activities included in here, online users also in here, then login block also in here. We can log in inside any users like students, teachers, administrator or guest. Everyone can log from this same page. Then navigation, which page you want to move, which page you want to jump inside that the page from the website. Then courses also in here, courses category. At first I'm going to in here that login from this username and this password name. Then click on login button. We can log inside this username, which is built as the teachers site, and it is going to log in. Then you are logged in Chiranjeevi Remi in here, you can see in here. Then at first I am going to demonstrate how to make the lessons, weekly lessons or daily lessons for students by teachers. To develop that kind of lessons, at first we go in here, my courses, then courses or types of courses or types of course categories we develop, all listed in here. Then go to weekly outline in here. Then click on turn editing on. Turn editing on means that's the weekly outline of the students we can edit from here. Then I am going to in here basic computer package. And basic computer package weekly outline. In weekly outline in first week. In weekly outline at first week, that's the students learn about basic computer package, and here given the syllabus of basic computer package, what types of course materials, what types of that's the chapters included inside that the basic computer package. Then forums, news forums also in here, GK questions I have included in here. Then in first week, that's the students can learn introduction to computer. During first week you will learn about the major parts of computer. Then lecture materials also in here I have placed in here, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, YouTube video you can go from there, chat room also. Then that's the students must read these chapters to learn to go ahead of other courses, other weeks. So that's required reading. Lectures also in here, course reviews, course summary, the list of references, books and other web addresses included in here. This is the first week. Then we can develop the second week, third week, fourth week, and any weeks. How much weeks you can give the lectures to the students, then you can develop. Then I am going to develop the second week lectures. To develop the second week lecture, very easy, because I have developed first week lectures like same as this, and copies these first week lectures to second week lectures and change the materials from here. And in second week lecture we can copy this duplicate introduction to computer. Means in second week what types of chapters that's the students going to learn. At first you must put in here types of computer, but this label is small. And how to edit it? Edit summary in here. Types of click on edit summary. Edit summary, then you can type, you can change. That's the summary. That's the title of the second week. The title of the second week must put in here in like same as the first lecture, first week lecture. So I placed the color this way. Then same as in here, font styles, heading 1, then bold. Then if you want to also put the underline, click on underline. Then I will set the time of these lectures, time of these weeks in here. Then save. And save changes, click on save changes, and you can return back to the lesson profits. This all can do inside that's the Moodle. Then this lessons types of computers in second week, that's the students learn about the types of the computers. And look, before what types of materials put in here, lecture materials. At first during this week if you want to write some text after this you can write from here. Add an activity or resources, then choose a label. Label means only text you can type in there. Then type the label name or label text in here. Label text during this week you can learn about the types of computers. Then set the properties, font name, font style, font sizes. Then save and return to courses. Again click in there to return back to the course weekly course page. Then go ahead in here. During this week you can learn about the types of computer. Then another headings also in here. You can copy this. You can copy this lecture materials. How can we copy? Click on duplicate in here. Click on duplicate area. Duplicate. Are you sure you want to duplicate label lecture materials? Continue. Then return to the course. Label lecture materials has been duplicated successfully, and lecture materials duplicate copy also we can see in here. And you can move these lecture materials by dragging from here in weeks 2 and put in here this lecture materials placed in here. We are going to make the lecture materials and the lessons of week 2, and like same as this we can copy this from in here. Lecture materials, lecture 1, lecture 2, everything we can copy from here. Yeah, click on in here. That makes the duplicate copy. And then are you sure you want to duplicate file lecture 1? Yes, continue. And return to the course. Duplicate it easily, then return to the course. And lecture 1 comes in here. You can put this lecture by dragging the like these lectures into the weeks 2 in here. Yeah. Weeks 2 downwards, in downwards, lecture 1 not to go down, then again drag and put this down. In this way we can make the lectures. And how can you edit this lecture from here? Update, click on update. Then you can change the file source it from here. This file is coming in here, but you can put another file in here by clicking add button. Browse, and any file you can put from here. Suppose from downloads documents, not in here, then another E drive, E workshop, okay, choose the file from desktop. Also we can choose from our computers. Then click on upload this file. This file is uploaded into this uploaded file exceeds the upload maximum file size directive in php.ini. That means the size of that file is more than that capacity. Article 7. So upload another file, and this file displayed in here. But if you don't need this file, then you can delete this file. Delete this file and put only one file in here, article. Then go to save and return to course. In this way we can change the pages, the PDF file page, PowerPoint file page, and other pages also we can change from here. I put in here that the PDF file, but if you want to put the PowerPoint file, again you can choose. Again you can make the duplicate of this file. Duplicate of this file, then change its source as the PowerPoint presentation file. I am going to do this one. Same types of file, but we can change from this favorite. And change this file. Delete this file. Okay. Then add another file, a PowerPoint file. I'm going to upload the PowerPoint file for students reading materials. Then that's the PowerPoint file. I'm going to upload this file, lesson 2 file. Then upload this file. And other types of files also you can upload, like the MS Word files, then other files. This file placed in there. Then click on save and return to the courses. Coming in here in second week, not in first week. Yeah. Lecture 1. Then other types of files you can put in here in lecture 2. In lecture materials. Then in lecture materials in first week we have placed in here YouTube chat room other things. Like same ways we can put in here live class by using the VIQ. But I am going to make now required reading lectures in another place or in another blog. Course review also like same this we can make list of references, means that's the references of books and websites addresses in there, which that's the students can read. Then other things, other weeks also we can develop like same as this way. In this way teachers can make the lecture weekly or topics wise, also we can develop topics wise or weekly lecture plans like this Moodle. And click on turn editing off button after you finished that's editing session. And in here, if one student wants to read this syllabus, click on syllabus. That syllabus open in his computers, which is in PDF format. In here, yeah, this in this way. This is the syllabus that the students can download, can read from his that's the syllabus. In other lectures also that's the students can download. Lecture 1, yeah, this lecture 1, and all the materials in PDF format that the students can learn, can read, can study from these materials. Then again another types of PowerPoint slides we have made, take from another week 2 PowerPoint slides also that the students can download from the internet and can read, save files. Okay, that download from the local machine, local computer, because this computer works as a server computers. Yeah, these files, this lesson 2, and all materials that the students can open. Then YouTube videos also you can put in here, chat room also, and to chat one person to another person, at first that's the persons must be in online. Offline message also we can send from here. I am logging from Indira, and that Indira person's another student sees also another student. Then she want to chat with her friends. I am going to show this one. Then in here doc online news, then click on Chiranjeevi Regmi to send the email by Indira Regmi. And here is the profile shows of Chiranjeevi Regmi. Click on send a message button. Then type the message in here. Message. Hi friend, how is your days going on nowadays? In this way you can write the message in here. Then you can send message. When that one person send the message to another person, if he was in online, he can at the same time, that's real time, he can do. But in these computers, only in this by using this computer, we can see that message by Chiranjeevi Regmi by log out from this user. I am going to log out from Indira Regmi. Then it's going to log in from Chiranjeevi Regmi. And at the initial position, when that's the Chiranjeevi Regmi login in his site, the new message from Indira Regmi shows in this way. Hi friend, how are you? How is your days going on nowadays? In this way. If you click in here, you can go to the message area, then you click on ignore to ignore the message only after reading. Click on go to message. In here, you can see the messages by sending the Indira Regmi. In here, unread message 1 by Indira Regmi. And if you want to look in here, click on this message box area. Then you can see in here, hi friends, how is your days going on nowadays? In this way, that message can read by the another person. If the Chiranjeevi wants, he can remove the contacts from his box Indira Regmi and other friends also. You can also block the users or students. If you want to look all messages, click on all messages, other messages that previous days that's Indira sent to Chiranjeevi, all messages that you can see in here. In this way, we can send the message from one to another place. Then that's the teachers. If your teachers wanted to take the class, to take the exam for students in each and every weeks, that the teachers makes the lessons to his lectures. In this way, I am going to develop the questions for each and every weeks. Then at first, click on editing, turn editing on. Then go to first week, add an activity, then quiz questions, then add, then the name of that's the quiz of first week. Type in here name of the quiz of first week, QUESTIONS, or exam, enter to exam, enter to exam, enter to exam, and write in here also description. Enter to exam. Then timing also we can set from here. Grade also, if there is a grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, and other settings also we can set from here, different settings. And feedback, if there is feedback, then that's the students can write from here. Then save and return to the course. Then in here that questions edit, enter to exam. Then to enter into that the exam area, at first we turn off this editing mode. Then go to that's week 2, but this is placed into that's the week 1. If you want to move this exam questions to week 2, then again click on turn editing on and you can move. Week 1 exam, where is that's the week 1? In here, yeah. We can going to put this exam to weeks 2 by dragging this area to in here. Not scan. Drag and put it here. Yeah. Then again click on turn editing off. Then if students wants us to go into the lecture 2 exams, at that time lecture 1, lecture 2, again not came in lecture 2, placed it again inside the lecture 1. So go to on editing on. After then drag this exam to week 2, placed it at last. Okay, it is coming in here. Then go to turn editing off. Week 2, enter to exam. Go to turn editing off. Then go inside that's the week 2 area. Here is the enter week 2, enter to the exam. Then click on here. Then the questions that developed by the teachers will display in here. Edit quiz. You can also edit the quiz questions. click on enter to exam. Attempt quiz now. There is no question in for second week. We haven't made that the questions for second week, but I have made that the questions also in first week. Go in first week quiz section. In here, first week quiz session, I placed in here GK questions. Click on GK questions, and in here reattempt quiz, because I have already attended this quiz. And in here questions, computer have give features. Select one, true or false. I selected a true or false. Anyone? I select in here true. Then computer is not an electronic machine. That false I made in here. Then click on next button. And submit all and finish. Then in here confirmation. Once you submit, you will no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. Submit all and finish. And it show in here answer saved, and started date in here, state finished, completed run in here, time taken, marks, grade. In this way, that's the reports also placed in here. So that's the answer also in here. Also, then that's the student's name and the question correct or incorrect information is also placed in quiz navigation block. Then finished review. In this way, we can make our own questions, essay questions, or types of questions, and other types of questions also we can develop from this. In this way, we can develop the lecture as well as video lecture also we can develop from this.